Right guys, how's it going? Welcome back. A couple of months ago I bought this 2009 Land Rover Defender 110 pickup truck. If you haven't seen that video, go back and check it out. It was just your typical bog standard old farmer's truck. There was absolutely nothing special about it. Although it hadn't done many miles, all of those miles were done on a farm, so it wasn't in the best shape. Every single panel was either dented, scratched or scraped, and the interior was terrible. The seat belts were chewed and frayed, probably by the old farmer's sheepdog. The seats were ripped and scruffy looking, there was sand and mud everywhere. It just wasn't a very nice place to be. So, over the last 2 or 3 months, I've spent thousands, and I mean thousands of pounds on this car, transforming it. And I can't wait to show you guys because you really won't recognise it. I thought this was the ideal candidate for a restoration because the colour was good. I could just visualise how it might look. Full-on James Bond Spectre style. It's still terrible to drive though. Noisy, cramped, rattly, uncomfortable. There are still a couple of small jobs to do. For example, the steering wheel needs straightening because it's way off centre. And the indicator, you put it on to turn right and it cancels itself too early. I think it's got a case of premature cancellation. You know the phrase ergonomically friendly? Well, that doesn't really apply to the old Defender. In fact, I think I'd describe them as ergonomically hostile. The first thing I did with this old Defender was to take it down to my mechanics for a full service. I wanted to get it up on the ramp and just make sure it wasn't completely rotten underneath, which it wasn't, thankfully. So I had the underside protected in wax oil, just to try and preserve it, and I had a full service done. The next thing I did was drop it off with my body shop painter extraordinaire, Jimmy the Magician, and he certainly pulled the rabbit out of the hat with this one. What he's achieved here is nothing short of breathtaking. You won't believe it's the same truck, honestly. Let me find somewhere quiet to pull over so I can walk you around it. This'll do then. Before I give you a tour, I've got to say a thank you to today's video sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Pouch. This will really save you some money. Now if you haven't heard of Pouch, I'll leave the link below in the description so you can check them out. Pouch is a free desktop browser extension which automatically finds and applies the best discount codes when you're shopping online, saving you time and money. It's come in very handy for me recently when I've been shopping for car parts online. It's already saved me a lot of money. It's totally free, so you've got nothing to lose, and it's very easy to use. Let me show you an example. If I go onto Euro Car Parts and look for a new air filter, type in my vehicle reg, and then add that to the basket and try and check out. Up pops Pouch, and it automatically applies the discount code, saving me money. I've just saved 45%. What's good is that Pouch works on over 3,000 UK websites, such as John Lewis, Debenhams, Game, which is more than any other similar product, so don't think this won't be relevant to you. It's also very easy to download. Simply download the extension and then pin it to your browser. Every single time you shop online, it'll be working away in the background looking for discount codes for you. It really is that easy. So do check them out, it's totally free, and once again I'll leave the link below in the description so you can start saving money today. Let me show you the front of the car first. You ready for this? So we've had the whole truck painted. We've kept the same colour, but it's all been redone, every single panel. If you remember, the roof was white, which we've painted gloss black. How good does that look? We've put the XS style front grille on, new headlights, new bumper bar with LEDs, new gloss black badges, snorkel. Every single time I walk around this car I find something new that's cost me money. So yeah, new snorkel, new badges, new gloss black checker plate. The good thing with Defenders is they're so customizable. Everything just bolts on. We've also replaced all the screws and nuts and bolts with stainless steel ones so they won't rust. Moving around the truck, we've painted the wheel arches gloss black, front and back, put new side steps on, we put matching checker plate on the sills. I bought a set of 5 Boost alloys off eBay and had brand new BF Goodrich tyres fitted. We've had them painted in gloss black too. Around the back it's all been painted. We decided to paint the tailgate in a gloss black to match the roof, which I think looks really good. In the flatbed, wait until you see this, we've lined it all with gloss black checker plate, including the base, but then Jimmy decided to make this wooden deck and then varnished it that many times. It's so smooth. It just looks like something you'd expect to see on a boat on Lake Como. Moving inside, we've had new leather bucket seats fitted, new original door cards, new door locks, new floor, new mats, new cubby box with 2 cup holders in case you're wondering. The gear knob's brand new and so is the steering wheel. Just how cool is this? So for all of you who've been asking why it's been taking so long, now you can see. I think it was definitely worth the wait when you see the kind of transformation that it's had. Well, thank you once again for watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done already. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I'll leave the link below. Check out my new store, highpeakstore.co.uk, where you can pick up these t-shirts. And also check out Pouch. So yeah, cheers guys. I'll see you next time. Oh no, cobbles. Remember this from last time. No Range Rover, is it? Yeah, cheers guys. See you next time.